In this video I will show you how to change your Instagram password. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile and go to your Instagram setting. At the top right corner, click the three lines and go to your settings, and fourth or fifth option, your privacy. Click the privacy. No, sorry, go to back and click the security. Yes, the first option is a password. Tap the password button, and now this is your password form. First, enter your old password or current password, and then type new password, and again repeat this password. Then right now, or I will, yes, wrong password, retype the wrong password, and backspace. I will try again. Yes, then save option. I'm type the current option, current passwords are wrong, so you type correct password and then type new password or again your new password and click the save. Now your password are changed. You like, thumbs up this video and subscribe our channel and click bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.